Next problem number 26. Here also LHS we have to take, RHS 2 we have to prove. LHS cot A, cosecant A, tan A, secant A. All terms we have to write in terms of sine and cos. LHS 1 plus cot A. How to write? Cos A by, this is LHS. Cos A by sin A minus cosecant A 1 by sin A. Next 1 plus tan A formula sin A by cos A plus secant A 1 by cos A. First bracket we have to take LCM. Sin A. Here sin A plus here cos A minus 1. This is first bracket value. Second bracket again LCM. Here cos A plus sin A plus 1. Here sin A cos A, here cos A sin A. I will write here sin A plus cos A whole square minus 1 whole square. Here this one we have to write like A square minus B square formula. Denominator here sin A into cos A. Numerator A plus B whole square formula we can apply. Sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A into cos A minus 1 by sin A into cos A. Here sin square A plus cos square value is 1. Identity. 1 plus 2 sin A cos A minus 1 by sin A into cos A. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Remaining sin A cancel, cos A cancel. Remaining what value is there? 2. This is our RHS. RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Next problem number 27. Here LHS root value we have to take. RHS secant A plus tan A we have to prove. LHS root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Already this type of problem we did before problems. Here this type of problem how to do? Denominator rationalizing or numerator rationalizing we have to do. Here I will do denominator rationalizing. Here 1 minus sin A. So we have to multiply 1 plus sin A and divide 1 plus sin A. Numerator you should multiply 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A 2 times. Root of 1 plus sin A whole square by denominator what formula we can use? A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square formula we have to apply. Here 1 plus sin A whole square by, here 1 square value is 1, sin square A. 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square A. Cos square A we can write using identity. Is equal to numerator have square and denominator have square. Single square we have to write 1 plus sin A by cos A whole square. Here square root to cancel. Remaining 1 plus sin A by cos A. RHS value in terms of secant and tan. So here we have to write cos A here one time and here one time. 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. If you will take LCM, same this one only it will come. 1 by cos A value is secant A plus sin A by cos A value is tan A. This is our RHS. Therefore, LH is equal to RHS. Next problem is 28th one. 28th problem same like 27th problem. There we find where we solved 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A we did. In this problem 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. LHS we have to take, RHS we have to find out that. 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. So here denominator rationalizing we have to do. 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A. Numerator you should multiply numerator 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A. 2 times is there. So 1 minus cos A whole square. Denominator A plus B into A minus B formula we have to apply. 1 square minus cos square A. Root of 1 minus cos A whole square by here 1 minus cos square value is sin square using identity. Here numerator and denominator have square. Single square we should write 1 minus cos A by sin A whole square. Square root cancel. Remaining 1 minus cos A by sin A. Here we have to split 1 by sin A minus here cos A by sin A. Cos A by sin A. 1 by sin A. We have to write cosecant A. Minus cos A by sin A value is cot A. This is our RHS. RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Next problem number 29. Here LHS we have to take, RHS we have to find out. LHS 1 minus cos square A by 1 plus sin A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. How to write cos square A in terms of sin? 1 minus sin square A using identity by 1 plus sin A. 1 minus, here 1 square we can write, 1 square value is 1 minus sin A whole square. What formula we can apply here? Numerator A square minus B square formula. 1 minus 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Here bracket we have to keep 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A cancel. Remaining 1 minus of this bracket. 1 minus sin A. This bracket multiply with minus. 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus sin A. Here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Remaining sin A. This is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Next problem number 30. LHS value. LHS, we have to take LCM. Here sin A plus cos A into sin A minus cos A. Here cross multiplication you should do. Sin A minus cos A. Here plus, here this value into 1. Sin A plus cos A. Here cancellation minus cos A plus cos A cancel. Remaining sin A in plus sin A. 2 sin A by, here what formula we can apply here? A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square formula we can apply. Sin square A minus cos square A. 2 sin A by, here you should observe RHS 2 sin A by, here numerator 2 sin A as it is. Denominator 1 minus 2 cos square A. Only cos term we have. Here denominator sin square value we have to change in terms of cos. Identity we should use. 1 minus cos square A. Already we have cos square A. 2 sin A by 1 minus, how many cos square values? 2 cos square values. 2 cos square A. This is our RHS. RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RH.